Hey guys, big day today. Get to install the Generlink transfer switch finally. Here it is. I've got my electrician waiting outside already. Beautiful summer day. Take this out of the bag. So this thing looks like a pretty easy setup. It's just got the poles here that push into your meter. No big deal in your neutral. However, I've never done one, so that's why I've got a licensed electrician here. And also, I phoned the Electrical Safety Authority and they said I can do it myself. So did Hydro. However, I have to pull a permit. And I'd probably have to pay for that permit and have it inspected after to close it. So this was the quickest and easiest way for me. Just waiting for Hydro to show up to kill the power at the pole. And we'll start putting this bad boy in. Okay guys, here's my crummy old meter base. Hydro's going to be pulling off whenever they show up. So basically, what they'll do is take the face off, we'll put the transfer switch in, the face back on. You'll see when it's done. Just waiting on Hydro. Look at that, Hydro's here 10 minutes early. Isn't that sweet? On to the disconnect at the pole. Well, here it is, about 10 minutes after Hydro left. Generlink meter base is installed. There's the plug on the bottom that you plug your cable in. Now the guy told me, also the electrician before I left, he says to avoid any surging. When the power goes out, turn the main breaker off in the house. Plug your generator in, fire up your generator, get it running, then turn your main breaker back on, and you'll be good to go. So that's all there is to it. Finally got the Generlink installed. I'm sure the power will never go out again, but if it does, we'll definitely be able to power the house. That'll be so nice. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.